Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah from Night FinTech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is what you need to know before going into trade for 30th November 2021. In the international market, US bond yields rose on Monday as anecdotal reports from physicians in South Africa indicated that the Omicron symptoms aren't more severe than in previous surges, boosting overall sentiment in early action. Later, President Joe Biden described the variant as a cause of concern but not a cause for panic, and said that the Americans wouldn't face shutdowns or lockdowns. With this hope, US 10-year rose 4 basis points, closing at 152, and 30-year also rose 4 basis points, closing at 187 percentage points on Monday. Please note that last Wednesday, US 10-year was trading at 101.64 percentage points, and Friday, after the Omicron variant fear, the benchmark closed at 148 percentage points. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $74.18 per barrel. Short-term range for crude is 73 to 77. In the currency market, dollar index or DXY is at 96.19. Short-term range for dollar 95.99 to 96.48. USD CNY or Chinese yuan is at 639. USD INR with a high of 75.16 closed at 75.09. Support at 74.75 and resistance at 75.10 does exist. Trading strategy for currency. As Knight research team was insisting from a week that we are seeing a weakness till 75, and it came true with the fear of Omicron variant. Now, as the various reports showing Omicron not as deadly as anticipated, the equity outflows and the inherent weakness has stopped. Knight research does not see any meaningful weakness in INR from here. Expect USD INR back to 74.70 next week if Omicron fear subside. In the domestic market, on the domestic front, Omicron fear had brought joy for traders. The yields were down up to 4 basis points and now stabilizing. Yields are not closing below 632, and this has paused the mini rally in bond yields in Indian market. Also, RBI MPC will be next week, hence traders will stay away from the market for a week. 563 2026 closed at 566 versus 565 the previous trading day. 610 2031 closed at 633 versus 633 the previous trading day. Public sector banks were net sellers with 2,447 crores, whereas foreign and private sector banks have bought 1,979 and 1,414 crore respectively. Trading strategy. The analogy to enter 637 and exit below 634 has worked. Now, as official statements coming as Omicron not as severe as anticipated, the yields will not fall drastically. We advise to book your profits. If benchmark yields fall below 632 on a closing basis, hold on to your holdings. If benchmark yields fall above 634 and on a closing basis, sell and book profits. Trading range 610 2031, 634 to 637. That's it for today. See you tomorrow with a new episode of Night Snippets.